My dad brought back some chestnuts. The personality is quite big and quite full. So I decided to plant some. See if it can grow into a big tree. But the shell of this chestnut is still quite hard. If you don't remove it, it will affect the germination. I'm going to pick some hyaluronic shells. It's easier to germinate this way. Cut the shell with a knife. It's better to pack it this way. It can be peeled like this. I peeled off all the remaining ones. Germination backup. Point the peeled chestnut buds up. Buried in pre-prepared basin soil. For the convenience of labor, the small basin I use will be broken in seconds first. Then I quickly poured Dingon water on him. And then we cover it with soil. Flatten the soil. Finally, spray with water to keep it moist. Just wait for it to germinate. And on day 3, there was a bud. It's cute. And on the 5th morning, I woke up. Run and see him. It really surprised me. It's hairy. I'm afraid he'll die. Get rid of the white cat with a toothpick. Then peel open the soil to see. Fortunately, the seeds are not rotten. Should be able to come back to life. I'll show you the follow-up after the long medicine is taken.